Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing video, and this time it's going to be from FabFitFun. So I just got this a couple days ago and I wanted to open it with you guys. So first off, I'm going to open. This is what it looks like inside. It's like, you can definitely smell a very strong aroma. Okay. So first in the box will be this beach towel that I wanted to get. I saw other boxes got like makeup, carry-ons, and I have so much, so I'd rather just have like a really cute beach towel. And let's open it. So this is from Summer and Rose. I believe that it's called Make Your Own Sunshine. I don't know if that's just their slogan or not, but this is a regular size beach towel. And I picked, I believe, a palm kind of design. You can open it. There we go. I'm not gonna open it all the way, but this is what it pretty much looks like. It's very summery, and in California you kind of need a beach towel. I've been using like bath towels, so I was like, okay, finally time to get an actual towel for the beach that looks super cute. Next item, it's gonna be from Pier 1 Imports. So in my survey they ask you what type of things you would like in your box. It would be like you feel at home stuff, like fit stuff, makeup, hair, skincare, all of the above. So I picked home because, I don't know, I'm at that age where I love shopping at Target and just finding different pieces that will make my home more like modern. Ooh. So this is a marble dish. I think I'm going to be using this for like necklaces, earrings, or just like watches in general. I'm in love with marble. Pretty much everything that I have is marble, like my luggage, my phone cases, my iPad case. I don't know, just something about it's very like minimalistic, and I doubt it would like go out of style, so that's why I like investing in marble. Next product is a sport classic sunscreen from Kula. I've heard a lot about this brand because it's non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, and recyclable. So I'm super excited to use this. And it is SPF 50, which is great for summer in California. The flavor is white tea, and it's apparently very moisturizing. Next item is going to be this heat protectant spray by Orlando Pedo Play. So this is just like apply to wet or dry hair, just to when you want to dry hair or style it. I think this is what's making my box smell like very fragrancy. And it is, you can use it up to 450 Fahrenheit and provides shine, softness, all of the above when you want to use a heat protectant spray. Next is this little card wallet. I was actually pretty surprised that this would come in the box. So it's pretty much like a little card holder. Super cute, very portable. It's by the brand Minor History, and the material is actually very sturdy. Sometimes I don't want to bring my full size purse to everywhere, so I think this would be great for like a club, or like say if you're going to a wedding, this would definitely be very handy. Item is this Aroma Therapy Associates London. So this is a de-stress muscle gel. and it is sealed. So I wanted to get this because I'm taking dance class right now, and I feel like every time that I finish dance I get really sore muscles, or sometimes like going biking in the summer. So I kind of just wanted a gel that kind of like soothes that. It's very fragrancy, but it smells just like a spa, so I think it's going to be very relaxing indeed. Next is this Tarte Pro Glow palette. When I saw this on other reviews, I was like, oh my gosh, like which one am I gonna get? And I think I got the contour and highlight palette. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I definitely can't wait to use this. I love Tarte. Their products are like amazing. I recently bought their concealer, and it's like a holy grail for me. So this comes in the colors Lit, Strobe, Fire, Stunner, Shade, and Sculpt. And each side has 2 mirrors, which is great. And I feel like this is pretty much what you need on like a travel basis. You don't want to bring all your highlighters or contours, so you just have one palette and everything inside of it. And the last item is this. So the reason why I got FabFitFun was because I saw this ad of this thing, and I was like, oh, it says they're giving it in the box. So I decided to give it a try. I've always like seen FabFitFun, but when I was living in Canada, but since it was definitely expensive and shipping costs, I didn't really get the chance to. But now that I'm living in California, I was like, okay, like might as well. So this is the Foreo Luna photo. It's pretty much like a massage cleanser tool for your face. I see this at Sephora for like $80, so this was definitely a steal in this box. I wish I got a different color, but you know, orange is like really nice for summer. It measures skin moisture and customized cleansing routines. So there's an app that comes with it, and you can kind of track how much you want to like massage in one area or clean. So I think this is really cool, and I cannot wait to use it. So that is the end of my unboxing for my FabFitFun. I would definitely say out of all the boxes that I've unboxed on my channel, this one would probably be my favorite. Just because they give you like full-on size products, you get to customize what you want inside your box, and it's just definitely you get your buck worth of it. But so in total, all the items that I got was worth $325, and I got it for 40 bucks, so that is amazing. So if you wanted to try out the box, I'll leave my code in the description box, and that will give you $10 off your first order. I definitely recommend, and I'll see you guys next time in my unboxing videos.